In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to update and install new RobustOS applications on your Robustel device using RCMS Cloud. Just a quick note that this is a paid feature. You will need a device that has an Essentials license or higher. We'll start with the App Center. If you click on the App Center icon at the top. So you'll first come to the firmware page, which we've covered in an earlier video. On the top right-hand corner, if you switch from firmware to RobustOS Apps, you'll see all of the apps available for RobustOS listed in there. The best thing to do is use the filter at the top and select the series of device you're using. I'm currently using the R3000, and that will filter to all the available apps to your device. So you can have a look at what apps are available, what their latest version is, and when they were uploaded to the platform as well, just so you have an idea of what you're using and when it was issued. You can click on each app to get some more detailed information. You can see the version, when it was updated, which devices in the family it's applicable to as well. So just taking a note of the RCMS app there, it's 3.0.1, it's the latest version. So when I go back to Robust Link, and then back to my device in View All Devices. Click on the serial number to access the device. This is for updating a single device. When I'm in the status screen, in the top along the tabs, I just go to the Apps section, and that will show me all the apps currently installed on my device. So right now I just have the RCMS app in there, and it's version 3.0.0. If you remember previously, we saw that the current version is 3.0.1, so I can actually update that application. There is an update available. I can also delete the app off my device if I need to. You can do that with any app installed on there remotely. And if I go to the top left-hand corner, you can see the list of different apps available there. So I'll select RCMS, look at my version again. So I can see I'm on 3.0.0, but I have 3.0.1 available. So all I do is select the app, select the version, and press update. And as you'll remember from the firmware update, you'll see a blue progress bar go across. This will install the application and it will also reboot your device. So this, as with the firmware, will probably take a couple of minutes, so I'll skip ahead. Okay, so my device is now rebooted, reconnected, and you'll see the app version is now 3.0.1. So I'll show you how to add a new app. So for example, I want to add a Cumulocity MQTT broker to my device so I can connect it to Cumulocity. Simply select the app, select the version, and press update. And that will send the app to your device. That will also restart the device as well, once again. So I'll skip ahead another minute just while that happens. And you'll see when I refresh my device, I now have a Cumulocity MQTT broker installed on there as well. So that's how you update and install new applications in RCMS. We hope you found this tutorial useful. If you'd like more tutorials, please follow the Robustel YouTube channel, and we'll see you for the next one. Thank you.